purple color, light blue color, yellow color, light green color, orange color and red color. All the rainbow colors I will use it in this video. Hey little kids, welcome to my channel. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful heart shape with tracing. Here I draw a dotted heart. Let's connect all the dots and see, this will be a beautiful heart. I will color it as rainbow color. Follow me and try to draw with me. Here I am doing double border line to look the heart so beautiful. I draw the heart. Now it's time to color it. First one I am using red color. Red color, red color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Red color. Now I am using orange color. Orange color, orange color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Orange color. Let's use the light green color. Green color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Light green color. Now I'm using light blue color. Blue color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Light blue color. And the last one I'm using purple color. Purple color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Purple color. Wow, the rainbow heart is looking so beautiful. You should also try to draw it at home and you can give it to your parents. So let's try to draw it. And thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new video for you. Till then, bye bye little kids. Wow!